There's a pretty cool engine, 5-horse Bessemer that was in a fire, and the gentleman brought it back to life. Down here on this, you can see the building where the fire was and what kind of condition the engine was in after the fire. You can still see all the charred wood that was left over. They were able to salvage, but just did a beautiful job of bringing it back to life. And I believe this is his engine also, possibly. This is a 10-horse Olin out of Titusville. Titusville Ironworks. This is a hit and miss engine. You can hear it just freewheeling right now. It'll fire here in a minute. Only takes one hit to knock it out, get it up to speed. It's running naturally, it's running very slow. It's not a working engine, just for show. Another really cool engine here too, an international famous. Got a cooling tank over on the other side. The water comes out the top. There's a little pump over on the other side. I don't know if you can see that or not. But all these engines are at the Ashtabula County Antique Engine Club show this weekend. Just walk around here and we'll catch a few more. There's a pretty cool display at the Ashtabula County Antique Engine Club in Ohio. This is a mock-up oil well site that they've put together from an original powerhouse. This is what you would have seen 120 some years ago. Has a 15-horse Evans engine made out of Butler, Pennsylvania. Has a clutch and a belt going on this side to run the compressor. A giant belt and clutch on the other side that runs this big wooden wheel. And that, in turn, there's two different well sites here. That wooden wheel runs this beam, and it also runs this one. You have these this beam here on these two pipes that run the vacuum cylinders, help suck the put a vacuum on the well for the oil and the gas.
Here's a little bit of American
And
history.
that beam comes out here up into the
106
derrick through there
of the
to your
first
well head,
108
and that would pump the well out,
founded on
and then
Christian
the
faith.
oil would come up and drain into that wooden tank.
Harvard
Whoops,
founded
sorry.
stated, all knowledge without Christ is in vain. Harvard's motto was truth for Christ and the church.
You can see the rods coming out on that That other beam there has a set of rods coming out here on this hook. Would actually be running 2 different wells. Put a lot of time and work in getting all this stuff out of the original well house, getting it put up here. Very, just completely beautiful display. Catch y'all later.